Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of one of Magesco's previous swimming pool projects located right here in Dasmariñas, Cavite. This one's got it all. Elegant design, a complete pump room, and awesome water features that bring the whole thing to life. Let's dive into the process. First step was earthworks, excavating the entire area to the required depth. We made sure the ground was compacted and leveled properly to set the foundation for a long-lasting structure. Next, we handled the structural works. This included steel reinforcement, formwork, and concrete pouring for the pool shell. This stage is critical to make sure the pool can handle water pressure and stay structurally sound for years. We installed multiple water features including wall jets and a cascading waterfall, adding that extra wow factor to the overall design. Then came the tiling works. Not only does it look great, but it's also safe and easy to clean. We did a full system test, water balancing and cleaning before turning the pool over to the client. Here's the final result. Clean lines, dynamic water features, and top-notch craftsmanship. Another project completed by the Magesco team. If you're planning to build your dream pool, give us a call. We make sure every detail is built to last. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more behind-the-scenes construction projects. See you on the next build.